Hello students, today I am going to discuss very important chapter. The name of this chapter is transfer of thermal energy. Students, you should know what is the difference between heat and temperature. Heat means transfer of energy from a hot energy level to a low energy level, and temperature is the measurement of degree of hotness and coolness. So in this chapter, we will discuss transfer of thermal energy. In transfer of thermal energy, there are three methods by which heat can transfer from hot region to a cold region. First one is conduction. First method of heat transfer is conduction. What is conduction? First, we will discuss conduction. Conduction is the process by which heat is transmitted through a medium from its hotter part to its colder part until they are both at the same temperature. This equilibrium state, this is called equilibrium state, when the temperature of higher region and cold region are balanced. This is called thermal equilibrium. So when the thermal before the thermal equilibrium, process of condition will occur, and when the thermal equilibrium is maintained, difference of hotter level or higher energy level or colder energy level is balanced, so this process of condition will stop. So conduction, remember this thing, very important point, that conduction occurs only in solid. So in method of transfer of thermal energy, conduction only occurs in solid. Now we will discuss molecular theory of conduction. In molecules, solid consists of molecules, bonding of molecules form a solid. So molecules in a solid are arranged very close to each other. These are very narrow. They all molecules are very close to each other. The distance between the molecules of solid is very short. So molecules form a solid form. They are very closely packed. When one end of thermal of the metal rod is heated, the molecules at this end vibrate faster due to increased kinetic energy. When you provide heat, as you can see in this picture, in this figure, as you see, when we provide heat, so what will happen? That molecules are very closely packed. So by receiving the heat, they will vibrate. So their kinetic energy will increase. Their kinetic energy will increase. The molecules collide with the neighboring molecules and cause them to vibrate faster. When you provide heat, so heat kinetic energy will increase inside the molecules. When molecules will receive kinetic energy, they will vibrate due to increase of kinetic energy. So this vibration occurs to and fro and up and down. So during this vibration, they will not leave its mean position. Mean position means center position where they are exist. So they will vibrate around its main position or center position where they are exist. So they can move to and fro or up and down, but they were they will not leave its original point or original state, or you can say center position. They will not leave from center position. They will vibrate to and fro. During this vibration, they will collide with the neighboring atom, and they will provide energy to the neighboring atoms. Then neighboring atom will receive kinetic energy and they will vibrate. So gradually heat is transferred from hotter energy level to lower energy level. This process is repeated until the molecules of the rod at the other end vibrate faster, and this process, higher energy level, will rapidly move. It will not stop, and during this vibration they will transfer heat from hotter level to energy colder energy level continuously. Thus heat has been transferred from end to the rod one end of the rod to the other end. So hotter from the hotter part, energy will transfer to the colder part. Thank you very much.